Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Plants vs Zombies mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile name within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Plants vs Zombies mobile game, and once you are taken into the main menu, you will see your username at the top left corner. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Change Profile. This will now take you into the profile page where you can rename your chosen profile if you wish. After choosing your profile, tap on the rename button, and now you can enter your desired username right away. Just enter the username that you wish and then tap on the check mark. And now your username will be changed. And in order to save these changes, just tap on the OK button. After this, your username will now be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on Plants vs Zombies mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.